Hello guys, it's primary and secondary tutorials here. Today, I'll be showing you how to multiply and divide rational functions by showing you an easy equation like 9r squared plus 18r over r plus 2 multiplied by 1 over r minus 2. The steps we'll be using today are to first factor, cancel out your terms, and multiply across. So what does that look like? Well, let me show you. Let's get our equation written down, then I'll show you how to do it. So first, we're going to factor. And everything besides the 9r squared plus 18r is already factored out for us, so we only have to worry about that. So 19r squared plus 18r, what can we take out of this? We can take out a 9r, and we get rid of the squared for the r, and we take out, or we divide 18 by 9. And so that's going to leave us with 9r distributed into r plus 2. And you can fact check this by distributing it back into each other, and you'll get 9r squared plus 18r. Get rid of that. And so step 2. We're going to cancel. So now we need our full equation written out in factored form. And that basically just means all your terms factored out and not in the big trinomial or polynomial, whichever state that they come in first. And so here we can see that r plus 2 is both on a numerator and denominator, so those can cancel out, but nothing else can because we don't have anything of the same term on the numerator and the denominator. So now we're going to multiply across. But first, you got to put 9r over 1 since you don't have anything in your denominator. And 9r times 1 is just 9r. 1 times r minus 2 is just r minus 2. And sorry for putting x as the variable should be r. And there's your answer. And here, I will show you how to divide a rational function. As you can see, we have quite a few steps. We have keep, change, flip, and then you're going to factor, cancel, and multiply just like a regular multiplication problem. So basically, keeping is just you keep your first fraction just how it's supposed to be. As I'm writing it out here. Your second step will be to change, and that is as simple as changing that division sign to a multiplication sign. And now we're going to flip. And so basically, we're going to write out our equation. M minus 4 over 3m squared plus 24m. And now it's going to be times m minus 6 over m minus 4. So now we're going to factor, and it's just going to be like any multiplication problem. Everything else is factored out for us besides our 3m squared plus 24m. So what can we take out of 3m squared plus 24m to get something that can cancel out? Well, we won't get anything that cancels out. But we can take a 3m out, and that'll leave us with 3m on the outside times m plus 8. When you factor, it doesn't always have to be about getting something that cancels out. You just need to get it in as simplest and lowest term as possible. So now we're going to cancel. Let's write out our equation. M minus 4 over 3m times m plus 8. times m minus 6 over m minus 4. And even though they're not in the same fraction, m minus 4, since they are both in a numerator and denominator, they can cancel out. So now let's multiply across. And remember, anything that doesn't have something in its numerator or denominator and is still a fraction needs to be put over 1. So it'll be 1 times m minus 6 and 3m times m plus 8 times 1. And since it's all times 1, it'll just simply stay the same. And so your answer will be m minus 6 over 3m times m plus 8. Thank you very much.